Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon, Ros.
Um, jadi hari ini kita akan melakukan scrum kita lagi untuk mengetahui update yang kemarin bagaimana, dimulai dari campaign program community, mulai dari partner refine contract. Untuk partner refine contract, uh, oh ya in English. So for partner refine contract, uh, we decided to like check Tokit to see who is the closest booking. What is the property with closest booking? So we can engage the partner to sign the contract. So I already checked Tokit Maharaja Residence have guest booking on this month, and Om Rafiq already contact him, and owner will sign the contract today. And oh yeah, I already to tidy the partner contract list. Yeah, tidy up partner contract list sorted by months, and the list of partner haven't signed in on December sheet sudah ada di sana. And for remaining partners who haven't signed for this month, 12 more partners again, and about three properties delayed to sign contract are Villa Sinta, Buyuk Pilas, and Oma Kuning, and they are have several reasons like Kak Tendi said yesterday. Vilas apa Buyuk Pilas, gimana Kak Buyuk Pilas kemarin tuh
Buyuk Vilas.
yang yang ini ya.
Mana Tegar bukan? Aku nggak handle Buyuk soalnya.
Oh, Buyuk Pilas ini nih, Buyuk Pak Ketut Purna from Buyuk Pilas said they were off for a while because the pandemic situation had not improved and property price had decreased by up to 60%. So kayak off for a while. And for like Antasena, Tegar Penida, Labomi, and Uluwatu Village House have several reasons to sign the contract, to delay sign the contract. And yeah, this is from me about partner refine contract. Any suggestion or feedback from you guys?
Oh
Kak
ya,
Tendi ada.
uh, for the for this month, is there any new contract? A new contract will expire, Ros?
Oh,
Oh, for the next 2 months,
yeah,
for February.
for expire, yeah, there are several expire. I remember is three properties, and I already to send it again,
Okay.
like Tegesari, Teges Asri, like that.
I think you already have the list, right? I think
Yeah.
yeah, I think we can try to put the deadline for the each property. What do you think? The deadline
Oh
for
iya
example,
Kak.
like, for example,
Oh
usually you put the list on the partner contract list sorted by month, right? And then you can
uh,
just put the deadline, and
uh,
then me on or Om Rafiq will try to get the sign before the deadline.
oh yeah. About tidy up partner tidy up partner contract list sort by months. So I already move whose partner not haven't signed
Mm-mm.
itu ke December list
Okay.
semua,
Mm.
ke December list yang ada dari status like already sign contract, but yang pokoknya nggak ada sign contract, jadi kayak already sign contract tapi belum sign.
Okay.
And about like apa yang turnover itu Antasena Bed and Breakfast maksudnya what is the mean turnover Kak di sini? Apa mereka not extend the contract?
Iya ya sama. Selesai.
Oh, so there is to property to not extend the contract like Megaland Guest House and Antasena Bed and Breakfast. So I will akan di apa ya mengurangi list kontraknya nanti. So the list contract I will decrease like that because to property have not extend the contract like that.
Okay.
Okay. Any comments from others, from Fadil or David? Is good.
I think from me, okay, just put the deadline ya on the table.
Okay, Kak. Sip. We next to community engagement meeting from Om Rafiq.
I will have Om Rafiq ya. For the community engagement meeting program, can you open the?
Yep. Wait.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Ras. Also for the new topic renewal, for the contract renewal is 5 more new topic, and then for celebrations, this month I think we have 6 birthday ya, Ros ya, and then for
Yeah.
the topic monthly key topic is 4 more, and then to become the 21, and then for the appointment monthly key topic is 4. Discuss and feedback for money topic it's 2. Maybe I will oh yeah, today also I put Periklapa and then Labomi that I meeting yesterday. Maybe that will be updated later by today by Om Rafiq. And then also I put I think 3 more actionable insight also Om. But I will update on the funnel as well. Okay, I think that's that. For the next one, for the Facebook, I think Fadil will be updated. Do you have any new strategy
Yes.
or
Uh, Permission to
for the
speak,
Facebook?
Mas Edi.
Yes.
Okay. So in regards to the Facebook update, I've actually made content that I would upload after this Scrum meetings.
Mm.
The reason why I would upload it on the afternoon because I would like to see if there is any difference between time when I uploaded. So the content that I made is actually quite similar with the one that I made previously, which is the certification from the Ministry of pariwisata. And I want to see that with these variables the same about the content. Is there any differences from our partners if we uploaded our content in the morning and in the afternoon? Like, is there any differences? Like maybe they could respond it differently. Maybe they will see it more often or maybe less often if we upload it on the afternoon. So I would like to see how they actually respond to the content that I uploaded this. And also, based on the request that Mas Tendi made last time about the analysis of the content that was uploaded in the Facebook group, I think that personally, the higher engagement ratings that we got mostly come from the personal, quote unquote, personal content between Bukit Vista and the partners, such as birthday cards. It was actually unexpected from me, but from the empirical analysis that I made, it looks like most of the partners are actually more engaging if we actually put something that was really, really, really related to them, which is the birthday card, something like that. So yeah, I think that's the first one. The second one that I wanted to present from my analysis is that at September, the amount of engagement was high.
Yeah.
With the amount of content topics and uploaded the same with September and October and with October and November. I'm sorry, but however, I don't know why, but the engagement rating suddenly fell down in October, and it continues more or less the same in November. So maybe that's the analysis that I made, and I would like to hear your opinion, Mas, Om, and Kak, for the maybe any insights from mistakes that I made. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Fadil, for your feedback. And from me, about, can you hear my?
Yes, Mas.
Okay. And from me, it's really good. And about, I have like comment from Facebook content, like we already make content and upload contents, several contents in Facebook, but uh, who like and comment and like apa ya, respon is like um sangat sangat sedikit gitu loh. It's really low like that. And I think uh the priority to pay attention about our Facebook group is how to make a members group give respond or give like or give comments like that. It's like that, we think hard about it. And yeah, that is from me, masukan dari aku. About a birthday celebration, I will make a birthday card today ya guys. Okay, so okay,
Then,
we
mm,
next today.
oh,
Ya Kak Den.
okay, thank you. Yeah, I think I have some suggestion. How we increase the engagement rate on the Facebook. I think the first, I think David, you need to increase the member of the group in the Facebook, because currently we have around 30 member for the partner. From the actually we have around 140 the total. I think you need to invite more member, become big member, so we can increase the engagement. And then also we can also get more invite from the other partner, because uh, we don't know like if there's any partner that actually very like to comment in the Facebook or something. I think we can add more the partner first, and then we can create the SLA. For example, like per week, we need to invite 10 partner or 5 partner per week to the Facebook group. I think that's the first thing that we need to do. And then the second one, oh yeah, so you see the engagement rate on the November is high, right, David? And then uh, on the October, it's around half of the November. And then what do you think to make the November engagement is more higher than October? If you can see the funnel. Hello, Fadil.
Yeah, yeah. My comments actually, maybe. Sorry because my connection is a little bit wabebo in here,
Yeah.
Jogja. So actually, from my analysis, sir, I think that why September has a high rating of engagement is because it was from what I've read the spreadsheet.
Yeah.
Is the September is the month where the Facebook group was created.
Yes.
Yeah, I see. Maybe that's a. So I think why the engagement rating is so high is because the our partners feel that they've been brandished in a new type of society. Like they've been made members of the Bukit Vista Facebook community, and they feel excited at the first like. But however, when times goes on, like 2 months and 3 months after the first month, I think they feel that yeah, this is just another Facebook group. So yeah, why not? I mean, yeah, the hype is gone. Uh, like maybe for example, like when we're still students in the universities, like from where when we got enrolled in the first time in universities, we are very hyped with the euphoria of new students in particular university. But since we've got into new semesters and we feel that yeah, the hype is gone, like it's just business as usual. So maybe to make uh, the engagement rating high again, I think that we should put something in our content that makes them feel that, oh yeah, uh, the euphoria is still here.
Mm-mm.
The the hope, the hope. Yeah, I mean, that's the point. That's the
Okay.
point. The hope. I mean, when these people got into the Facebook groups on the first time, they feel that maybe they got this new hope of operation la 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 la. But however, maybe because of coronavirus, the situation on the republic is still in shambles. I mean, we still get new vaccines delivered from China, etc., etc. So I think their hopes got down, and maybe we should keep that hopes again. Maybe we should make content that actually, instead of trying to give information which actually is not that cheerful, maybe we should put content that actually is more an inspirational, about maybe I don't know if the majority of our partners in the Facebook group are is Hindu. Am I
I think it's mixed.
oh mix, yeah,
Yeah.
okay. So yeah, I think we could
Mm.
put some inspirational content on the
Yeah.
Facebook group. So maybe if we put inspirational content, that they'll feel enlightened. They feel their hopes, their tarnished hopes get returned, and maybe they will engage more in the Facebook group. Steady. That's my point. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. I think on November, why we get the engagement rate like a 30% engagement. I think it's because the total of our content as well. Because uh, our target per month is 14 content posted, right? But on November we have been posted 17, including the birthday and then any topic. I think that's why we got the higher as well, the engagement. And then maybe to Fadil, I think I need you to find, for example, like a five content on the Facebook that get very high engagement. For example, any from
Okay.
any post, any post from other group or something. Maybe you can screenshot it or you can show us tomorrow, and then like the post with the have a high engagement from like comment from the other people like that, so we can see we can compare it with our post, so and then we can see what we can improve to our content or our language or something to make the audience is more interest to engage with us like that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Fadil. Back to Ross.
Yeah, Rafiq, like, hands up. Yes, Rafiq, do you have feedback? My comment. Wait, no.
My comment is on the top. Hello?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, my advice: content make it funny but impacts to partner. Like how keep struggle on pandemic, how to make the partner interesting and impact to their life. Okay, yeah, I think I'm agree for this because majority partners like struggle for the pandemic, like there is no booking, because pandemic like that. Yeah, maybe I want to add like make the content in like apa ya, media yang fun gitu loh, fun media, like example video like that ya. Oke, noted ya Om. Terus for the next campaign, yeah, community pack trusted community. So we are already meet pest control. The name is geothermics in Bali. And already apa ya? And the result of our discussion is good, I think, because the speaker tell us about the professional service from pest control, and they are said like pest control problem is like sering most often disepelekan gitu, but it is important for the property like that. And his suggestion for our property partners, uh, don't choose pest control yang dengan sembarangan, like illegal. Our owner property must to have to ask 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 the pest control about legally si like surat surat apa ya, surat legal perusahaan mereka like that, karena akan membahayakan, is danger for the property if pest control is not legal like that. Yeah, and I already make the points. I was secretary for this meeting, and I will give the notes for you, ya Fadil, to make the blog like that. Okay. And then maintain partner trust by clear payment report from David. Can you explain your update, David?
Okay, thank you, Rose. For my side, uh, until this day, we have increased the anomalous list is increased by 3, and the one is from overpayment, and 2 is underpayment, and the one for overpayment is happens because the guest has sent the full payment for the owner by cash. So we have apa we have tell the owner to send it to us, and the settlement for until today is increased by 2. It's all for being Rose. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, David. Any comments from others?
I think I had put the on the comment for David. Maybe have the punyanya owner ya for the settlement by today. Thank.
Yep, Kak. Okay, thank you, Kak. I will track the transaction histories first with Kak Cynthia, and after that I will send to the owner person.
Sure.
So thank
Thank
you,
you,
Kak.
David.
Okay. Okay, thank you, David. And for the reducing the booking conflict, there is no update for training and testing because I still waiting for response partner to make training schedule. But there are one for apa ya, for the list respond. It is from apa, from Flamboyant and Bodas to 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 have bigger user like that, and they will inform me about training schedule ya. Flamboyant and Bodas is like one owners. Yeah,
Oh
there
yeah.
is from me. Any, oh yeah, from for Om Rafiq, there's like update from our partners like Sari Garden, Tegar Penida. Boga Segara, like Om.
Ros, uh,
Yeah.
I think Sari Garden I already train Bu Wahyuni for the bigger.
Oh ya,
Uh,
oke.
you can
Thank
update
you
it
for the
ya
update.
by today ya.
Siap.
Okay, I will also put in the
Please
file.
update.
Mm-mm.
Oke, thank you Kak. For partnership opportunities from Kak Tendi.
Okay, from me, could you please open it, Ros? Okay, thank you. So for the temporary list, in marketing we have four more temporary partner. And then for the classification, I had tell Aldo to update it, but Aldo is not updated yet to the funnel. But I already contact Aldo today again to remind him to update it the which partner is potential to become the long term partner and which partner is not potential. Because currently in community we only have five partner that potential, and we mostly already engage with them like Awandari, Bali Prem, Veladion, and Banyunyo Balinyo Nyoh Gading, Balinyo Gading. And for booking, there are two new booking for the Villa Dion and then Balinyo Gading. Already updated also there. And then for the community engagement, Ross already invite two partner to the FB group ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday or 2 days ago, I think. Yeah, I think that's that
Okay.
from me. Is there any question, Magibi?
Mm, uh, Maybe from me Kak.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for your update or for Kak Aldo update about like apa ya? There's a booking from new partner, so I will contact them like that gitu loh. Jadi aku tunggu mereka dulu gitu ya
Yeah.
for the list.
For release for the temporary partner.
Uh-uh. And have like a booking like that maybe.
Okay. Yes. I think so. But I think also, I was thinking also, Ross. Because previously we have agreement with the with the marketing. We engage with the partner that get the booking, right? Okay. Yeah. So
Hmm.
we can talk about the booking to the partner. But I think I would like to add one more stage actually. This is my suggestion because for the community engagement we have the first what's called first stage is called what's called 3C 3C partner like via WhatsApp or video call, and then the second one is inviting to the social media, and then third one is training bigger and talk it, right? And then I was thinking like for at one more stage for like a meeting like a visit the property or meeting. So I think that's part of the engagement like we meeting directly. So we know like oh, this is the partner like that. So it's not only online but uh, we know the properties and then we know the partner as well. Yeah. What do you think? But this is Uh, for the Bali properties, me and Om Rafiq can help for visit there. But I think currently we don't have any new temporary partner in Jogja. I think if only in Bali, like in Kuta area or Bukit, I think it's still possible to visit the property because it's mostly the temporary partner is on the Seminyak, Canggu, or Jimbaran like that. Yeah, I think I have a suggestion to add one more stage for the community engagement. What do you think, guys?
Hmm. I think I am agree for you Kak. Like for the on-site visit, I think it's important for the new partners. For the new partner. So yeah, there's no idea again from me. your idea is good. How about others?
Yeah. Yeah, I think yes. Why I want to add one for the visit and meeting because from I think in the beginning, like Om Rafiq also know like how we build the good relation with the partner, the current partner that we have. Because in the beginning we fluent to meet them, to visit the property, have the guest check in like that, and then like have the partner if there's any issue in the properties or with the guests. I think that also will increase the trust from the partner like oh this person is have a have a good capability, have a is professional, and then like oh I think I would like to give my property to this person, to this company or to this person like that. So I think if we engage more for their properties, and then we talk more with the partner, I think that will increase the trust from the partner also. It's more easy from the partner to sharing with us as well, like maybe they're talking like
Mm,
hey this is actually my problem from my previous management or my current management or something. So I think me and Rafiq can help to give some suggestion and engage like to build the trust first with the partner, so it's more easier in the next time when they get the booking, then we can talk like hey maybe do you want to be our long-term partner or not like that. Because yeah I think on if I think on we invite them on the Facebook group, it's good as well, but I think that's mostly one way, so we post the content and then but we actually not 100% engaged with the temporary partner because they're not sharing anything, right? They're not sharing any
yeah,
problem or everything, but I think the point the I think the this is like the what's called to the point, like to the point to the partner is like we meet sharing and then like hey what we talking like what problem that we facing previously, and then what we can help you now to improve or your property or your service like that.
yeah. I'm agree for that. So to like to know more about them ya kak, like their problem, how their situation like that. So we can give feedbacks from for them, and 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 can make like partner trust for us, and maybe they will attract to to long temper to long partner later. Yeah.
Yeah.
Um, and maybe there is one for me. One more for me. We can engage like to know about their problem, not only on-site visit, but I think like introduce ourselves like for manager Awandari, halo like that, halo bu kayak gitu. And apa ya, new partners itu masih still apa ya, still give fast respond, I think then all partners like that. So this is a chance for us, entah itu online or on-site visit, to engage more the new partner like that. Yeah, that is from me, and we can move to the discussion management ya.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Loading lagi. Maybe Kak Tendi, oh udah bisa.
Udah.
Wait ya guys.
Yep.
I'm sorry, it's like refresh automatically the page.
Okay, no worries.
back unresponsive. Okay. Can you see my share screen?
Yes, Ros.
Okay. There's one topic from Serging about like our campaign performance, our funnel performance. So Serging comment about just a high level observation. Why are so many of the campaign is red? Yep. I already put my comment and Fadil put comment too and Om Rafiq. Contract we already discussed about this. There are several reasons. Like partner is busy, no time to sign online, and our solution is to ask for if they agree to continue the contract, we can ask for the photo his signature and we submit it to the contract document. But it's still like uh, tidak terlalu bekerja, not to work, but and already Kak Tendi on Om Rafiq went straight on-site visit to ask the sign contract for several partners, and the yang masih kita lakukan, the still we do is like to check the toolkit and with the property have closest booking, and we can engage more easy to ask their sign. Yeah, it's from me. From Fadil, can you explain about your comment?
Yeah, actually, in regards to my comment, actually, I've explained it before in our discussion about the Facebook updates, and I think that my comments is that we should post more. Maybe I would maybe post. So if in a week I post two contents, then the total. I mean, this is without the celebration of birthday. Yeah. So if I post two content, so just think that 1 month we have 4 weeks, around 4 weeks, right? So if we post only two contents per week, then we without the holidays, holidays, without the birthdays. I mean, sorry, pardon me. Then it would be a total of 8 content. So I suggest that in a week we probably could post three content, but I also understand that thinking a lot of content and also making the designs for the content itself would be very tricky. So that's why I propose about the inspirational or uh, the motivational content, because it's not that uh, it's not that hard to make this content, but we could engage more from the our partners. So I think that's a little bit like of a life hack. But we're not actually sacrificing the content that we're made. It's just that we are making a content that is a little bit different from what we've got before. But however, still, I'll find other sources like what Mas Tendi said, live content from the Facebook group, and how it matches and what makes these contents become high in comparison to the other. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you Fadil for your feedbacks. And from Om Rafiq, this the beginning of December, we still observe the good topic engagement with the partners. Why? The partners will excited to talk about it, and more is to get response from them. Good topic engagement, yeah. And we must think about what is good topic engagement more uh, to our partners in Facebook group. And the topic this month is inspection the properties. Did they ready to welcoming guests and make sure the room is ready as well. Don't be like no guests, no clean. And pricing is updated maybe from 20 Kak Dendi can explain about this.
Which for which one?
From like pricing updated, it is talk about commission ya Kak?
Enggak,
Commission announcement.
it's about the price for the property for the rental. For example, if
Or
there's
like the
any
right
new
price.
price, yeah, new price for the New Year or for the Christmas, we need to change right on the listing, and then talk with the partner that we will change the price or asking like how much we can give for the monthly stay, for the weekly stay, for the daily stay, like that. That's for the pricing update.
Okay. But we have to coordinate to ini kan Kak,
Hmm.
other chapter is marketing and apa
Yeah,
SAR.
yeah.
Yeah.
We put the update on the community engagement board paper, and then just tag the people that we need to update the price, so they will see the paper and then update the price from the community engagement paper.
Okay. Okay, thank you Kak Tendi. From Kak Tendi about the top funnel need MKT team. Can you
Uh,
explain
yeah,
about this?
yeah. Uh, I think I will talk for the overall first, yeah. So here Jing asks like, why are so many the campaign reds, right? So I think Jing also need to understand like why, for example, like the first campaign. Maybe you can scroll up, Ross,
Mm-mm.
for the partner refund contract.
Sorry. Mm-mm.
Yeah, I think if you can see, if you open it, like actually like for the contract list, make the contract and send the contracts for your funnel. The it's already done, right? For the funnel, they
Yeah.
already like and then in the last funnel, the progress is slow because there are some reason from the partner as well, right? So yeah,
Mm.
so it's been like I think this is about just the miscommunication. Like, why there are some funnel is red because actually the funnel is like a finish. The stage is like finish, right? Yeah, I
Mm.
think if finish, then of course there is no progress. For example, like for the contract list for this month is 20. Then we already
Mm.
sent the 20 contract last week, right?
Yeah.
So
Mm.
that's why there is no progress because you already sent to all the 20 partner, right?
Mm.
Yeah. So I think what we can do here. So uh, I will uh, I will uh, try to create a new format for the funnel. For example, like if the funnel is
Done.
already on done, so the progress will be updated like a finish or done with the green funnel, but with the word
Mm.
done, like that. So maybe other people will understand like, oh, this funnel actually is done. So but the below funnel is not done yet, like that. So yeah, we can see actually it's easier from the conversion. If the already 100%, it's been already done, right?
Okay.
Yeah, because there
Yeah.
is already percentage there. So that's why I think it's not about the campaign rate, but if we can see deeply like what is going on in this funnel, so we can understand, this funnel is already, this stage is already 100%, so that's why there is no progress, right? Because it's already
Mm.
100%, then we can see which funnel is not 100%. Then that's a stage, it's been is slower, like that. So yeah, so for example, like the birthday or everything. So if birthday already, the topic of birthday is already done, then we cannot put any birthday, right, for this month, because all the partner is already put on the topic for the birthday, or is already 100%. So that's why the funnel will be red like that. So I think this is also that we can improve for the funnel, so it's more easier for the visualization to the other person, like to make them understand like what this is mean, like that. Because I think if only on community we will know, understand like oh, that's why is no progress because it's already done. But I think for the other chapter or other people that didn't know our funnel or our progress, maybe they will hard to understand, right? What does this mean like that? So because they see a lot of red or something. So I think, yeah, the I will try to edit the format of the funnel, so will be make it more clear like that, Ross. Yeah, I think this is actually not about the reason for the first every campaign, why this campaign is right, but yeah, I think this is a visualization as well, like how we visualize the funnel to the right visualization. And then, yeah, because we know like I also understand like why some state is rare, is there is no progress or something, because we already try too hard to reach the fun, to reach the partner, to train the partner and everything, to send the reminder for the contract and everything. Yeah, but this is the reality, right? So each partner have a reason, and then we also try to persuade them, try to everything. We still trying here. We not stay and not working, but we always try to how to convert this funnel, right, like that. Yeah, I think that's from me, Ross.
Thank you Kak Dendi for the explanation, and thank you to apa to untuk memperbaiki to repair the funnel, to add like performance visualization about our funnel. And yeah, maybe last question from me Kak. Then uh, are we like to make a priority again, like with the first campaign about priorities campaign like that, untuk nge-move campaign-campaignnya gitu loh.
Sure.
Perlu nggak?
I think we still have 10 minutes. I think we can use the time for that, Ross.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you Kak Ten. And yeah, for the conclusion, David, can you write in that? This is about visualization with the funnel already done. Kak Tendi will make it like green, and yeah, to repair the visualization about our funnel.
Yeah.
And the suggestion for us, if there is no progress, we 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 have to input our reason like that. About sign contract, there's no progress because the partners still not give our response. So the reason can apa ya, can attract can attract us to maybe to try to give suggestion to this common in the funnel Trello like that. Yeah, and there is from me. And about delegation about funnel refine contract, sambil David nulis, aku cuman tanya aja, I ask for Fadil, you are like to delegate partner refine apa ya? Aku delegate untuk partner refine contract or bigger training. Fadil.
Maybe honestly, kan ini aku oh ya, in English ya. So I actually think maybe if I were to make only 2 contents per week, then maybe you could delegate this task to me, Kak Ros. But however, since I think that to boost our progress in the engagement, and I propose that making 3 contents per week, I think that it will take uh, it will take just power. It will take my time and my power to do this. So I think I'll need to see first, like the first 2 weeks on making these three contents, and then I think that well, if it's a little bit, burdening me, then maybe I'm sorry that I need to turn down the offer. But if actually it is something making the contents is not that hard, then maybe I'll accept the offer, Kak Ros. Thank you.
Hmm, aku kurang dengar yang terakhir. Kalau misalnya kontennya nggak terlalu sulit, gimana?
Then aku
Sorry, keputus-putus.
ACC.
Oh,
I'll accept.
okay. Okay. Oh, how the like time to apa ya? Untuk melihat to see this is easy like that, make content ternyata gampang, jadi sepertinya aku bisa ACC. Maksudnya berapa lama aku kira-kira bisa nunggu?
Maybe around 2 weeks, Kak Ros. I need to assess my time also.
Okay, thank you Fadil for your response ya. Yeah. So yeah, there is for us guys. David already write the conclusion for this discussion management initiative, and yeah, we stop sharing, and thank you for your attending on this scrum, and there is several feedbacks from you guys, and thank you for that. And yeah, heaven heaven with your work today, and from Om Rafiq, get well soon Om Rafiq.